What is AMFI and why is it important for mutual funds? Ever heard of AMFI but not sure what it does? Let's break down the Association of Mutual Funds in India, AMFI, and why it plays a key role in the mutual fund industry. What is AMFI? AMFI is the official association of all registered asset management companies in India. It works to maintain a transparent, ethical, and well-regulated mutual fund industry. What does AMFI do? Maintains high professional and ethical standards in the industry, promotes best business practices and enforces a strict code of conduct. Acts as a bridge between mutual funds, SEBI, and the government. Leads investor awareness programs to educate the public about mutual funds. Disseminates research and market information to improve industry transparency. Regulates mutual fund distributors and enforces disciplinary actions when needed. Protects investor interests by ensuring fair and responsible fund management. Allocates AMFI registration numbers to mutual fund distributors. AMFI plays a huge role in ensuring India's mutual fund industry remains trustworthy, efficient, and investor-friendly. What do you think about AMFI's role? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.